Ever wondered why your heart skips a beat when you see your crush? Or why you feel a magnetic pull towards certain people? Stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries of love from a scientific perspective. Ever wondered why your heart races when you see that someone? Or why some people just seem to click while others don't? Today, we will be unraveling the mysteries behind attraction and relationships. You see, love is not just a whimsical emotion that poets pen verses about, or singers croon melodies to. It's an intricate tapestry woven from threads of psychology, biology, and neuroscience. It's a force so powerful it has inspired countless works of art, music, literature, and even wars. What draws people together? What keeps them connected? And what creates lasting bonds between individuals? We'll be exploring the chemistry of love. We'll be keeping things light, engaging, and yes, even a bit fun. After all, love is anything but boring. So expect a few laughs, some surprising facts, and even a few aha moments. So buckle up as we delve into the fascinating world of love, attraction, and relationships from a scientific perspective. Whether you're a hopeless romantic, a curious skeptic, or somewhere in between, we promise you this video is for you. Did you know that your body is a veritable chemistry lab when it comes to love? Love isn't just about the butterflies in your stomach or the skip in your heartbeat. It's about the chemical reactions in your body. Let's discuss oxytocin and vasopressin. Oxytocin, the love hormone, is released during physical touch and intimacy. It enhances feelings of trust and bonding. Vasopressin, less famous, plays a crucial role in long-term commitment and monogamous relationships. It strengthens bonds over time. These chemicals, when released, travel to your brain, influencing your emotions and behavior. They send a message of attraction and the desire to be around a certain someone. In essence, love isn't just about poetic words and gestures. It's about these molecules shaping our feelings in the grand play of love. So the next time your heart flutters at the sight of your crush, remember, it's not just emotions, it's chemistry. If you think the heart is the sole organ at play in love, think again. Your brain has a major role too. Let's take a journey into the cranial realm to uncover the fascinating role of the brain in love and attraction. There are two key areas in the brain that become all aflutter when Cupid's arrow strikes: the ventromedial prefrontal cortex and the anterior cingulate cortex. The ventromedial prefrontal cortex, a real mouthful I know, is a part of the brain involved in decision-making and risk assessment. In the context of love, it helps us evaluate a potential partner's attractiveness and compatibility. This area lights up like a Christmas tree when we see someone we find appealing. It's like your brain's very own matchmaker, weighing up the pros and cons of a prospective partner faster than you can swipe right on a dating app. Now, let's move on to the anterior cingulate cortex. This area is associated with feelings of reward and pleasure. When we're falling in love, the anterior cingulate cortex works overtime, giving us that warm, fuzzy feeling we associate with new love. It's like your brain's personal cheerleader, celebrating every shared laugh and tender moment with a burst of pleasure. But it doesn't stop there. These areas of the brain don't just activate during the initial stages of attraction, they also play a crucial role in bonding and maintaining long-term relationships. They help us navigate the complexities of love, from the heart-fluttering first dates to the deep connection of a long-term partnership. So, the next time you feel your heart pounding when you see your crush, remember that it's not just your heart doing the heavy lifting. Your brain is hard at work, evaluating, assessing, and rewarding you at every step of your love journey. In the grand scheme of things, love isn't just a matter of the heart. It's a complex, fascinating, and utterly brainy affair. So love isn't just about the heart, it's a brainy affair too. Ever wondered why you're attracted to certain behaviors and not others? Well, let's dive into this intriguing subject. When it comes to attraction, it's not all about physical appearance. In fact, our behaviors play a massive role in how we perceive others and how they perceive us. You know, those little quirks and habits that make us unique. They're like invisible strings pulling us towards certain people. Let's start with kindness. Ever noticed how someone's attractiveness seems to skyrocket when they do something genuinely kind? That's because kindness is a universal signal of a good-natured person, someone who is likely to be a supportive partner. It's like a green light for our brains telling us, hey, this person is a keeper. Now let's talk about humor. Who doesn't love a good laugh? Humor is a powerful tool in the world of attraction. It can break the ice, lighten the mood, and create a bond. When someone makes us laugh, we associate them with happiness. And who doesn't want to be around someone who makes them happy? Then there's confidence. Confidence is like a magnet. It draws people in. It's attractive because it's a sign of self-assurance, competence, and courage. It shows that a person is comfortable in their own skin, and that's something many of us find irresistible. But there's a caveat. These behaviors need to be genuine. Faking kindness, humor, or confidence can often be spotted from a mile away. And let's be honest, no one wants to date a phony. So it's not just about exhibiting these behaviors, but truly embodying them in our everyday lives. So the next time you're wondering why you're attracted to someone, look beyond their physical appearance. Are they kind? Do they make you laugh? Do they carry themselves with confidence? Remember, attraction isn't a one-way street. It's a dance between two people, and your behavior plays a significant role in this dance. Remember, it's not just about looks. Your behavior can make or break the attraction. So, what have we learned about the science of love and attraction? Well, we've embarked on a fascinating journey, haven't we? We've peeled back the layers of this complex emotion we call love, and found that it's not just a matter of the heart, but a symphony of hormones, brain activity, and behaviors. Firstly, we discovered that the chemistry of love is quite literally a chemical reaction. We learned that when we're smitten, our bodies are flooded with a cocktail of hormones. Oxytocin, the cuddle hormone, fosters a deep sense of connection and bonding. Dopamine, the pleasure hormone, ignites the sparks of joy and pleasure. And adrenaline, the fight or flight hormone, is responsible for those heart-pounding moments of anticipation and excitement. Next, we journeyed into the intricacies of the brain in love. We found that specific regions light up when we're in love, such as the ventral tegmental area, a part of the brain's reward system. And let's not forget the caudate nucleus, which is all about anticipation and reward. We also learned that love is not just a fleeting emotion. It's a state that our brains can hold on to, thanks to neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form and reorganize synaptic connections. Lastly, we explored the role of behavior in attraction. We learned that our actions speak volumes about our feelings. Small gestures like maintaining eye contact or mirroring someone's body language can signal attraction, and behavioral compatibility such as shared interests or similar sense of humor can strengthen bonds and increase the longevity of a relationship. So, in essence, love is a complex dance of hormones, brain activity, and behavior. It's an intricate blend of science and emotion that makes us human. It's a fascinating journey, an exploration of the depths of our hearts and the complexities of our minds. And with that, we wrap up our exploration into the science of love and attraction. Be sure to like and subscribe so it shows us that we should make more of these videos. So the next time you feel a flutter in your heart, remember it's not just magic, it's science.